In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic underwater sun rays in Photoshop. This is a great effect for adding depth, atmosphere, and a soft sense of light filtering through water. The best part is that it looks impressive, but it's actually built with a few simple tools like gradients, blending modes, and a couple of adjustment layers. Let's walk through it from start to finish in a smooth and easy way. Begin by creating the water background. Add a solid color adjustment layer and fill it with a dark blue tone. This gives you a strong base color that immediately starts to feel like deep water. After that, add a gradient fill adjustment layer. Open the gradient settings, select the last color stop, and change it to a shade that's similar to your watercolor. Then drag that color stop slightly to the left. This helps create a softer transition in the gradient, which makes the background feel more natural and less flat. Once it looks good, click OK. Now create a new blank layer. Select the gradient tool, and this time change the gradient type to noise. Set the roughness to 100% so the texture becomes more varied and broken up, which is perfect for light rays. Then enable both restrict colors and add transparency, and click OK. Zoom out just a little so you have room to drag across the canvas more comfortably. Click and drag the gradient diagonally across the image. This will create the base texture for the light rays. Next, change that layer's blending mode to screen. As soon as you do this, the dark parts disappear and the bright streaks remain visible, which is exactly what creates the light ray effect. To clean up any unwanted color in those rays, add a hue and saturation adjustment layer and lower the saturation all the way to -100. Then clip that adjustment to the light ray layer by holding Alt or Option on Mac and clicking between the two layers. That way, the adjustment only affects the rays and not the entire image. Once that's done, right-click the light ray layer and convert it to a smart object. Then go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius until the rays look soft and natural. You want them to feel diffused, like light passing through water, not harsh or overly sharp. To finish, add a layer mask to the light ray layer. Set your foreground color to black. Choose the brush tool and lower the flow to around 10%. Gently paint over any areas where the rays feel too strong or where you want them to fade out more naturally. This final step helps blend the effect into the scene and makes everything look more realistic. That's it. With just a few simple adjustments, you can create beautiful underwater sun rays that feel soft, believable, and cinematic. Experiment with the blur amount and your brushwork to make the lighting fit your scene perfectly.